My name is Scott Yadzik. I am partners in Victor Builders. Dwayne and I work in a partnership together. We have fun at what we do. We form a good team. You know, he's my partner in this company, but he's like a brother, and that's exactly how we treat each other.
It's fun. You know, we both enjoy what we do. He has his strengths, I have mine, and it all works out good. But you know, we joke around most of the time at work, and I think that's part of it. People are just amazed at what we can do. We're not afraid to try anything. We've taken cedar logs before and cut them in half and routed them out and put them back together again so it looks like they're holding up a roof. Never done it before. The gentleman asked, he says, "Can you do it?" Let's try it. And we did it. They still can't believe how the project looks to this day. And that was 10 years ago that I did the job. People are just amazed. They think they can visualize it, and then we start doing it and they're like, wow, wow, wow.
When people are putting something into a kitchen, an addition or house, I mean, it's a dream that they've had maybe a couple years, maybe more than a couple years, and when they finally see it come true, you know, you can just see it in their face that they're just so happy and that they're pleased with what they got and everything else. So there's a bathroom we did here just this last year. This lady has been trying to get her bathroom done. She had been saving money to do it for almost 2.5 years, and she was finally getting to have her bathroom done. Now, it wasn't a big bathroom. It's a little 9x5 room, just a tub, a shower, you know, and a toilet, and that's all it was. But when she was done, she was so happy, so excited, could not believe the way that it turned out. It was better than what she had even thought it could be. Making people's dreams like that come true is probably what really gets me up in the morning, day after day after day.
We use materials that we've used for 20 years over and over because we know that they work. We don't have any issues with them. There's a lot of old houses around here. These houses are 250 years old. That's the way our houses, we want them, the additions, everything we do, they should last. You know, they should last 250 years. We do a lot of custom things that, you know, nobody else wants to do. Our mantles that we do are custom. We try not to repeat them. So it's basically, it's the customer's one of a kind. Kitchens, we do a lot of islands the same way. Finishing the details and stuff at the end, I like doing that part. I enjoy working with my hands. I enjoy building, so that I knew exactly what I was going to do. I hope I never lose the excitement for that.
To have a vision of a kitchen, of a wall removed, and a kitchen done that's wide open, and maybe hear one or two people say they're not sure it can happen, don't know if it, you know, it's possible, and then you go in and you climb in the attic and see that, okay, it's not a supporting wall. You've been in the crawl space and you know there's no reason that wall can't come out, and you take the wall out and open it up, and it is truly amazing to see the way some people just are absolutely beside themselves for some of the things you can do for them. Excited about Victor Builders because I think the company is ethically sound, and I'd like to see that continue and have Victor Builders just keep making people's dreams come true.